your growth is not in her.
Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Geek-A-Tech. Today we are going to talk about a very interesting topic in core Java, which is called the difference between equals method and equal to operator. Okay, so it asked in many of the interview questions, it's been asked, and even for the laterals and the experienced person also this question has been asked for getting the knowledge to understanding how much you have the knowledge about the core Java. Even for the automation test engineers also this question has been asked, and the beauty of this question is that it is very practical scenario which you will face in your projects while you working. Okay, so before moving forward, I just like to thanks to all my viewers and subscribers for their love and their support. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press notification bell. So let's start. So let's create an example, and based on that example we are going to identify that what is the difference between these two things, the equal to operator and equals method. Okay, so let's create a string called str1 equal to home, str2 with the same value, then create an object of string class, okay, with the same value. Okay, now let's compare them. str1 equal to str2. Okay, now let's copy this. Now let's compare these two. Now let's use this equals method and mention str3 here. Okay, so before running this program, I just want to tell you the major three differences about these two things. So the first thing is that equal to is an operator, and where equals is a method. So this is the very basic difference between these two. Okay, and the second difference is we cannot override an operator, but we can override the equals method. So this is the another difference, that equals method we can override and we can put our own logic also for the comparison, where equal to as it's an operator, so we cannot override it. And the third and the most important point is equal to compares the references or the address memories. Okay, where equals method compare the values, it will compare this value to this value. Okay, where str1 where when we use this equal to operator sign, then it is not actually comparing the values, it is actually comparing their reference addresses. Okay, so now let's run the program and see the output. So here you can see that so the first one, str1 equals to str2, it says true because both are from the same string pool memory. Where you can see that str1 equals to str3, which says false, which is correct because str1 is a string and str3 is an object. Okay, and this object has a different memory location than this or this, so it says false. Okay, where this for the same strings, when we use the equals method, then what it will give us the result as true, because it is not comparing the addresses, it is comparing the actual values. Okay, so whenever you play with the objects, when you want to compare the objects, when you want to compare the values of the objects, then do use equals method. Okay, so what it will do, it will compare the actual values instead of references, where equal to will compare the address references. So this same concept is applicable in C sharp also. I use the same concept in C sharp, and it is pretty much the same in C sharp also. For the core Java interview questions, this question has been asked. Even in sometimes in C sharp interviews also, this question been asked, that what is the difference between equal to and equals method. Okay, so this is a very simple program which demonstrate that what is the difference between these two. So whenever an interviewer asks you that what is the difference between these two, you can say that one, for the first difference is equals to is an operator, where equals is a method. The second thing is equals we cannot override it, where equals method we can override. And the third thing is that, which is very important, is equal to compares the address references of the memories, where equals method compares the actual value. And you can also demonstrate your concept by using this simple program. So it will be very good to demonstrate that okay, you actually understand the concept. You didn't just by heart this difference. You know the actual concept, that what it is doing. Okay, so this is all about the difference between equal to and equals operator. So for more videos, please visit my channel. We have different playlists for that. We have playlist on automation testing, we have playlist on normal testing, we have a playlist for core Java also. So please visit those playlists, give your suggestions in comment box, and do like, share and subscribe to my channel. So thank you, that's all.